Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are sharing quick tips on improving our day-to-day tasks in your office, it could be in your business. So without a further ado, let's go into today's lesson. Today I am going to talk about Powerquery. What I am going to do is I just want to consolidate all these information in different sheets, different workbooks into one data table. Let me show you my data sheet and workbooks so that you will be able to understand what I am going to do today. First of all, I have these 4 worksheets, and inside that there are multiple worksheets carrying my data. Let me show you. In this one, I want to get these 2 rows into one table, and similarly all these worksheets have this data in my workbook, and there are different worksheets as well, like this is a reference sheet. However, I want to get these 2 rows into one data table and load it into one. And I have formatted this data table into table formatting, you can see, and I have renamed it into data_t. You will understand why I have renamed it into a data_t when I do my Power Query, because you will have to design your data set before you automate or consolidate, like do your data actions. And if somebody doesn't know about the data table, you can select area and press Ctrl T. You will get this converted into a data table. If you tick this off, my table has headers. That means your first row will become the header. So that's how it is, how we convert our data into table format. Now you can see we have converted everything into data table format. You will have data table here, right? Now I am going to consolidate everything into one data table. For the moment, let me close it off, and I am coming into my blank sheet. So I am coming into my worksheet and going into data, and from file I am going to select my folder, because I want to consolidate all the worksheets and all the workbooks into one single data table, right? Now I am opening it. You can see there are multiple workbooks are appearing here. So I am going to select continue and transform data. You can see now my workbook has been loaded. Here I am selecting whole worksheet so that you will be able to load everything. Inside that you can see different table formattings, different worksheets tabs are here, right? So first of all, I am going to select my data_t so that I'll be able to filter my data from that data table. Data_t. You can see now all the others are excluded and it is loaded. Now I can do skip files with the error. For the moment I am loading everything in, and I can display option, you can say only selected items also. So I am loading it. Now you can see all the data has been loaded. Here also I am selecting data_t. See, now it has been loaded. Now I want to expand this table. I can expand everything. Now if I untick this tick, you won't see the prefix of this. In front of prefix there is a prefix. It won't show. You will see beautiful and nicely done headers there. So I'm unticking it. So you can see my headers, customer, season, and all my data is here, right? From all these data sheets and workbooks. So I'm deleting this column because I don't need that. And here also I can select multiple columns and remove them. Remove columns. So I'm removing them. So it's now loading them. Close and load. Let's see what we are getting. See, now you got all the information into one table. Let's say we will have 4 different worksheets. First one is V2, second one is V2 copy, third one is V2 copy 2, V2 copy 3. How easy is that? Let's see. Let's put another copy and see if it is working. I'm copying and pasting. Now we have copy 4. Let's refresh and see whether we are getting that. So I'm refreshing it here. See, we got 4 inside, right? So you just need to work on these individual sheets, and if you want to consolidate it into one sheet in a flash, you can do it. I hope you have learned something new today, and if you like our content, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe us and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.